Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You first confirm prerequisites, your level, any quest unlocks, and required faction access so you can actually see the raid shop. Open the world map now and activate vendor and raid point filters so only relevant icons appear. Once done, zoom to the region where raid activity is recorded. This narrows searches and saves travel time. Make sure to note fast travel nodes nearby, because reaching the shop quickly reduces downtime and lets you return to raids with minimal detour. Next, you zoom into vendor icons and read labels. Look specifically for names like Raid Shop, Quartermaster, or Token Vendor because naming varies. Place a waypoint and follow the in-game compass, adjusting if you enter instance zones or multi-floor areas. Use map pins to mark alternative entrances and check event windows. Some shops appear only during raid resets or timed events. If the vendor is inside a raid hub, you may need to zone in. Plan entry so you can access shop without disrupting group activities. Finally, approach the vendor and inspect required currencies, reputation ranks, and any item prerequisites so you know why an item might be locked. Purchase only after confirming inventory space and binding rules because mistakes can waste rare tokens. If necessary, use deposit boxes or bank transfers first. If the shop isn't visible or items are missing, relog, reapply filters, or check server event timers. As a quick troubleshooting tip, ask your guild or community chat for the exact location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.